So, Xiaomi has recently introduced their Xiaomi 14 and 14 Pro to the market, and the primary camera sensor they've chosen is a bit of a mystery. Xiaomi mentions the Lighthunter 900, but they've been tight-lipped about the sensor's manufacturer. Initially, it was believed that Xiaomi had customized a Sony sensor, but the origins of this sensor remained a mystery. However, recent rumors have suggested that Xiaomi might be using the OmniVision OV50H instead. You can find all the details about the OmniVision OV50H on OmniVision's website. Interestingly, this sensor shares the same 1/1.3-inch form factor as the elusive Lighthunter 900. In any case, even though it's a smaller sensor, approximately 44% smaller than the 1-inch imager found in last year's 13 Pro, it's around 80% brighter. Reports suggest that Xiaomi might be going back to a 1-inch sensor for their upcoming 14 Ultra-branded smartphone, although there's some debate among leakers about which sensor it will be. On one hand, Digital Chat Station hints at the possibility of the Sony's Lydia LIT900, an advanced version of the 1-inch Sony IMX989, which is said to come with DCG, dual conversion gain technology. This tech is designed to work wonders for low-light photography by employing two distinct charge voltage amplifiers in each pixel, reducing image sensor noise and ultimately improving image quality. It's rumored to output natively at 50 megapixel. On the other hand, there are suggestions that Xiaomi might opt for the OmniVision OV50K, another 50 megapixel sensor that Huawei is also considering. It's an interesting twist in the ongoing camera sensor saga. So what do you think? Xiaomi's camera choices for their upcoming smartphones certainly have tech enthusiasts buzzing with anticipation. As for the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, we're expecting it to hit the market around mid-2024, likely after the global release of the 14 and 14 Pro. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting tech journey. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more tech goodness coming your way. Thanks for tuning in, and we will catch you in the next one.